Nakarecord na ba yan? Late na barkar niya, no?
Nakabukas yung ilaw.
Ay, di ko alam.
I don't want 여기 내리면 자는 거야.
I don't think Facebook should be allowed to have a ceremony.
Aren't you guys just so moralized? It's so more inspiring.
Really hard to use. Yeah.
You like the rear torpedo tubes too, right? That makes sense. No, those are forward cruise.
Yeah.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, that's
I don't know what you're talking about now.
Yeah, that's
Saan?
Of course, it's not as spacious as oversized.
Laboratory.
But it's not glass like that, it's like arms.
Apat yung 1, 2, 3, apat yung missile. May bathroom sila. Oh. Bathroom.
I'm surprised that this isn't padded.
This would be nice.
Pinapanood ko sa TV, kailan mo laki ng Manila.
We saw there was like one with like couches and stuff. It was
Plenty of room practitioners.
Oh yeah. But these are the people that like
We should work more tighter.
Dito sila nagbibiroan.
Daddy, hindi ka pwedeng matulog. Sisipain mo yan.
Kawawa yung mga 6-footer.
Ang private.
Captain yung nakatira. Ano yung captain? Madami din ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Gusto mo naman business ng bed space.
Look it up after.
Or is it still missing?
Yeah, that's like.
There's more people sleeping in there?
No, no bunks there. Down there is the pump room.
Pump room.
Pump room and other machines.
Patimbang mo.
Ah. Hindi pwede magbembangan dito.
Right now, the current.
No ate, hindi pwede. Hindi pwedeng magbembangan.
Ang dami na. Ang dami tutusok na ano. Pakilo natin.
Ay, ito mahal. Ito mahal dyan. Copper.
So, pupunta kami sa taas. That's how we communicate.
Siguro yung capacity nitong personal nito, mga wala pa 50, anak ko. Maliit eh.
Wow.
Wow.
My God.
Diyan, pwede rin magbembangan dyan.
It's too tight.
Ay.
Yan.
Wow, kusina nila ma. Ang ganda.
Is mga luma, alam ko 150 lang sila eh.
O yung sa inyo, yung sa Toledo.
Wow.
350.
Madami kayo dyan.
1450,
1945. Wow. Happy birthday.
Pero ngayon, iba na medyo malaki na ngayon.
Dito siguro yung nursing room. Ito marami ng Ito maraming kwarto rito. Maraming kwarto. Ha?
Yung sa amin nakatakip lahat.
May privacy na.
Tapos pag may mga riders kami, mga civilian, hindi pinapahiga na.
Anong rider? Civilian? Meron?
Civilian na ano, mga engineer.
Yung hindi naka-duty.
Kami mga civilian na nagtatrabaho sa military.
Ito hindi ko yun, pero puro Jenny.
Ang tawag sa inyo, anak ko, civilian?
May mga nag-work pa rin sa amin, mga engineer na yung mga nakagraduate ng college.
Yung officer.
Civilian.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. May mga 50 personal din siguro sila. Magiging kama. This will become a bed.
Pero sa inyo.
Too much of a difference. So how we flush, see that valve in the back? That's how you fill up water. You open it, and this, you open the valve, so they open the valve. And then
One done, never done. Finding you a submarine guy.
Bakit di naman submarine to, di ba?
Other class naman.
Oh yeah, they have like a
Ah, na, may babaw lang siya.
they need it.
Kala ko boat. Ay, kala ko barko.
This is the stuff that you guys know, right? Like, yeah, I had it. She's like, oh, how did you go this? I don't know.
Submarines weren't nearly as strict as surface ships. Everybody kind of had their roles. There was nothing that could like, you don't have to be able to form with the captain. The captain's going to be
Mommy, look how skinny this is.
Yeah, imagine if you had beef with somebody in a submarine. What are you going to do about it?
I'm not a tall person, and like,
Did we pass the batteries already? Yeah, that's all the story.
Galing din nag-invent nito, no? Scientist. Ang daming mga wirings dyan, electricals, motors, engines.
Speak to me when you go to war. When I say duty, somebody says, when I say duty, that's all I do. This is when I check everything, check every page for 4 hours. Not as much as you think. Got
Ay, may ito tayo tapos nalabas na.
Ha?
Nalabas na pala tayo.
Diyan tayo pumasok kanina, hindi.
Yeah, ito.
Ah,
Ay ba? Hindi.
Sa tayo sa likod. Gusto niyo mag-picture?
picture dito.
Yun yung mga to.
Ah, lumalakad tayo?
Hindi.
Kala ko lumalakad tayo. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, memorial. Punta natin. Parang lumalakad tayo, no?